Hey, what's up, guys? I just backed into a customer here. It's the first stop of the day. Take you outside and show you what I go through at the first stop every day. Come on out. Well, let me set this thing up so you'll be able to see me all the way down the end of the truck. Alright, well, this is what we do every morning in the beginning. Gotta go down and take the straps, bungee cords, and a tarp off. The other side of the truck. Let me get the camera set up. Put you on pause and bring it back to the other side. We'll pull the tarp, fold it up, make this customer move. Okay, now it's back on the other side of the truck. Let's get this side moving. Go up top and see what's theirs, and straighten up the truck so we can tie the tarp down, figure out what is theirs. Hang on one second. Well, okay, here's the truck. We're gonna head on down. See, that's where the tarp sits now. Customer gets this pallet and something up there. So let's find out whose tags are whose. I'm gonna sit you guys on here, on the deck, and watch me from here. Give me a second. Alright, well, this supposedly is one of the things our company doesn't want us to do. We can't really do our job unless we And that's it. So I'm going to turn you off so I can go inside to my customer and find out exactly when he's going to come out and then take the stuff off my truck so I can go on to my next customer. Fun times. See you later. Okay, so there's one more step. Now that I'm done with my customer, now I have to go back and restrap and chain. Like I said, I'm not going to leave on nice weather. And then we'll come back to this side. Like I said, I'll bring you around for the whole procedure. You can see what it takes at every single customer. And then tell me that I'm just a steering wheel holder. Let's go back around to the other side of the truck. All these are tightened up inside the rub rail. I'll set you back up here so I can go and tighten up my truck. And we're finally done with this customer. Alright, so here we are at stop 2. Going through the same process again. One bundle in the front. So they get a bundle in the front and 3 bundles in the rear. Now we can move to the other side. Now we're on the other side. And we can move to the other side. Back and forth, back and forth. Hey, how you doing?
What's up, bud?
Everything coming off?
Huh?
Everything?
No, I got bundles on the back.
Here.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, no, I don't have a whole lot for you. I got 7 stops today. And that's one of my customers. That's an unusual. He is not normal. Move you over here. This customer is going to be taking off 1 bundle of PVC on this side. And something else. Again. Everything for this customer is on this side of the truck, which is nice. It's not usual, but I have to move the bundle off of his stuff so it doesn't drop down into an area where my next customer won't be able to get. I'm doing on this trailer. That's the reason why you can't put WD-40 on the pipe. And that's one of my stops. Now I need to wait for this customer to use his forklift to slide this bundle of PVC over to the center of the truck. Otherwise it'll migrate there itself and then loosen up the straps. But we don't know exactly what he went to do, so I have to wait for him. So, if we didn't move that PVC to the center of the truck, as tight as I made those straps, it would eventually vibrate to the middle of the truck, and then I'd have to stop on the road somewhere and tighten it. Back to the other side and tighten all those chains again. Now we're done. Head back into the truck. Everything's tight. Everything has a place. And we are done. We have to do that. This is stop 2, so 5 more times today. So, I'm not gonna video all 5 times because it will be repetitious, all the same thing. Get comfortable, get the truck running, be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the road.